Morning. So it's a beautiful day. Today officially marks 38 weeks, and I was actually having some contractions this morning for a few hours, but I go to the doctor this afternoon for my normal checkup, and we'll see how everything's going. 14 days to go, and having the contractions this morning actually did kind of help me decide to maybe start getting some of my stuff together. So when I was folding clothes, I set aside some things I want to pack in my hospital bag and just starting to get stuff around the house ready. So we shall see and see what they say at the doctor's appointment this afternoon, where I have my non-stress test. Today is 13 days to my due date, and for the past 24 hours I've been having contractions, strong, sometimes regular, sometimes not. I saw my OB yesterday for my second non-stress test, and that went well. The nurse commented that some of my contractions were actually off the chart, and so she was like, "I'm surprised that it didn't make you cry." And I'm like, "No, I mean, they're uncomfortable at times, but it's not like crying." So we have no idea what's going on. Luckily my doulas are around, so I've been texting them, keeping them up to date on what's happening with me, and we'll see if this baby's coming early or if this is just a false alarm. Okay, so since I've been contracting for a little over 24 hours, I figured maybe I should pack my hospital bag. We're 13 days out to my due date, and I don't remember having contractions this strong or regularly my first time around, so I'm not sure if it's just like my body's used to it and getting ready, or if maybe this baby's coming a little sooner than the 13 days I plan to have left. So I'm going to show you guys what I have packed in my hospital bag so far, and also let you know what things I am planning on adding. Some things I had to order, other things I just haven't grabbed yet because maybe I'm using them. So I plan to pack in my little Vera Bradley tote, and then I also have the little toiletry bag, so I'll put my toiletries in there. So I haven't pulled any of my toiletries yet because I'm pretty much actively still using them. Washed my hair today, so I'm just letting it air dry out, and have to decide what hairstyle is going to be best for going to the hospital. I wore 2 French braids last time, which was cute, but in the pictures I was like not a huge fan, so we're gonna decide. So first I'll show you what I packed for me. So the first thing that I wanted to make sure I packed was a robe and a nursing nightgown. My first pregnancy, I did not change out of like the hospital robe. Maybe I did. So this is what I'm gonna say. The epidural, which I didn't want the first time around, that I ended up getting because I felt pressured, which don't let the hospital pressure you into an epidural, really just had me like totally out of it. So I was out of it at the hospital pretty much the whole time after Trip was born. And I want to have a unmedicated birth this time because I want to see if I don't have that feeling, and I'm hoping I don't. I'm hoping I'll actually want to like get dressed and take a picture, which I was not interested in doing last time. So this is from a Pea in the Pod, and it is just a really cute toile print lacy nightgown, which I love. So it's like midi length. So I've got that, and then I have a pink robe, and I also am packing 2 nursing bras. So I'm packing one for the hospital, which is just kind of like a crossbody tank, no, like support or anything, just opens up. And then the other is a racer back bra with clasps and the clasp in the back. It doesn't have padding or underwire or anything, but it does provide a little bit more just support and cushioning and movement in the right places. So I have both of those. I did not mind the mesh underwear at all at the hospital, but like I said, I was totally out of it. So I'm packing this time a couple pair of postpartum underwear, just black Hanes. These are from Target, and those will be good to have. So that's really all I have packed for myself so far. My going home outfit is partially still in the mail. I ordered a black nursing tank from Target, and that should be on its way today actually, and plan to wear some really, stretchy black leggings that I have that are currently in the dryer. So gonna get that stuff folded up and add it to my bag. And I'll also be packing a comb and brush, a little bit of hair product in case I do wear my hair curly, maybe like the essential makeup stuff, which is my Glossier Boy Brow, some mascara, my YSL blush stick, and maybe a lip gloss. That would absolutely be the most that I would pack. I did not put any makeup on at any point during my hospital stay the last time, and I plan to leave even sooner because now during this whole COVID-19 crisis, they are releasing all pregnant or postpartum patients at 24 hours after the time of delivery. So basically, as soon as your baby has their 24-hour checkup, they are getting you out of the hospital, which is understandable because there's obviously a lot of sick people at the hospital right now. They don't want the baby to contract anything. They don't want the mom to contract anything. And you and your partner will be stuck in the room because they're not allowing anyone to leave. So when you can't send your husband out for food, or he can't go to the cafeteria, and you can't walk around and go out in the hallway, you pretty much don't want to be there. So I don't think I'm gonna need a lot of stuff because I plan to be in and out of the hospital pretty quickly. So now I'll show you what I packed for baby. I packed like one outfit for trip last time, so it was like what he wore home. I'm going to pack slightly more for the baby. We'll see how it goes. So I packed just this basic, really cute, new to the crew onesie, and that's just if I want to like take a picture or something. And then for her going home outfit, I have this really cute onesie with pink on the collar and the ruffle sleeve, and a little pink polka dot hat that's probably going to be huge, and little pink and gray polka dot socks. So that is what, I can't even get the lighting here, guys, so you just have to trust me that these socks are cute. That's what I have so far for baby. I have a pair of pants that are going to be washed that can go with these. They're little footy pants, and I will probably throw in a footy pajama onesie, like a full footy pajama onesie. But for the most part, she is going to be wearing home the footy pajama onesie. And these other two outfits are just for pictures. So that'll be easy enough. And I also have this really cute Velcro swaddle that I love. This is from Target. and she can take pictures or hang out in this at the hospital. But like I said, we really don't plan on being there very long, and I don't foresee a lot of time for just, you know, hanging out and picture taking. But we'll see, because if we're trapped in the room, maybe that's all I'll have time for is just taking pictures. So we'll see how we feel. And that's all I have so far. I've got a few things that I've got to finish washing. Like I said, the top to my wearing home outfit is in the wash, and I will probably be wearing to the hospital whatever I happen to have on when I go into labor. So we'll see what happens. Let me know what you packed in your hospital bag, if this is helpful at all to you, if you kind of want to be minimalist like me, or if you feel like you just need to pack everything. And other than that, we've got the car seat in the car and we're ready to go. So 13 days out, having contractions, and we will see what happens next. Today was an interesting day. Contracted pretty much all day again, and it definitely was just getting harder to kind of concentrate on Trip and, you know, manage him while having contractions on and off. But getting more things done every day, getting like a few more things. So I did finish up my laundry, which was great. And let's see, washed off the car seat, so that was good. Have the bases put in both of our cars, so we're ready for that. So just, you know, a little bit every day, which is good. And text with my doulas and just kind of let them know what was going on with having the contractions and what happened with my visit to the OB this week. And, you know, everyone's saying that we're close, but I have no idea what that means. Like, does close mean tomorrow, or does it mean a week from now? I have another doctor's appointment on Monday, so today's Wednesday. So I've got quite a few days to go and got to make it through the weekend. So we'll see what happens. But day 13 is definitely it's starting to feel real, which is crazy that it hasn't kicked in until just now, but it's definitely starting to feel like, okay, this is happening and it could happen at any time. So I'm gonna get some rest and we'll see what tomorrow brings.